guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking with Caribbean vibes cooking vlogs. Guys, if you are new to my channel and this is the first time you are seeing my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload the content you'll be the first to receive the content. So today I'm gonna do a jerk chicken fried rice video today. So I'm gonna season the meat now, but I'm gonna shoot the video somewhere different. So I'm using 3 chicken breasts. I'm using some jerk season, some pimento seed, some all-purpose season, some chicken season. I'm also using some chopped up scallion, onion, thyme, green thyme, ginger, garlic and pepper. I'm adding in the chopped up seasons. So I'm adding 1 serving spoon of jerk season. I'm gonna add just a little bit of soy sauce. So we basically done season up the chicken. So I'm gonna just cover it for marinate just for some time, and I did already cook the rice. So the best when you're doing the fried rice, you cook the rice from a day before, because the stale rice is much more better than the fresh rice that I just cooked to do the fried rice. So I will catch you in another part of the video, guys. So I'm just reached the location where I'm going to shoot the video today. So I'm catching up the fire into the jerk pan now. To jerk the chicken. So I'm just setting out the jerk chicken, guys. So I'm just checking on it. So I'm pre-cooking the chicken, and this is my way of doing the jerk chicken. So when I pre-cook the chicken for like 20 minutes, then I'm gonna add it to the grill. So all the juice that I'm getting from the chicken, that is what gonna make the base sauce for the chicken. So now I am checking on the chicken. It's looking good. I'm just pre-cooking the chicken before actually jerking it. So this is what it's looking like. So I'm giving it another 5 minutes before take it off the tray and add it on the grill. So I am adding some pimento leaf over the chicken, and basically the pimento leaf I will add flavor to the chicken. So I'm just setting it. So now I'm adding some red stripe beer onto the chicken, just to give it some moisture and some flavor. So I'm gonna add the pimento leaf. So I'm adding the pimento leaf into the fire. So now I am going to add the chicken into the dip sauce, and the dip sauce is made of the juice from the chicken along with 2 tablespoons of honey, some ketchup, so basically I'm just add back the chicken in the sauce, just to add flavor back. So we call it the dip sauce. So after the chicken is finished jerk, I'm gonna take it off, let it cool off, because I'm doing a jerk chicken fried rice. Now the sauce dry on, so I'm taking it out just for it to cool off before deboning the breast. I am going to cut up the scallion and the onion and the season for the fried rice. So I'm using 2 stalks of scallion and just 2 small pieces of sweet pepper. The reason why I'm using this because they have a different color, and I'm using a green piece and the onion. So now I am going to cut out the sweet pepper. The onion. So now I am cutting up the garlic, so I'm using 3 cloves of garlic, just chopping them up fine as possible to how I want them. So now I am deboning the chicken. And it is jerk chicken fried rice today. So as you can see, the chicken is well juicy. So I am using the breast of the chicken. Just gonna cut them. I am finished cutting up the chicken breast. And this is how I cut them in just some small cube to add into the fried rice. So this is it. So catch you in the making of the fried rice, guys. So I am finished cutting up the chicken. And this is the rice that I'm going to use for the fried rice and some frozen vegetables. So I am just waiting on the oil to hot, and I'm shooting the video from my sister's house today, guys, but she don't want to be in the camera. She is not a person that loves to be in the spotlight. Well, everyone is different. Not everyone loves the camera anyway, so she is one of the shy type. So I'm going to add some cooking oil in the pot now to get the ball game started. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of cooking oil. So I am gonna saute out the garlic just for about a minute. And the garlic just to help add flavor to the oil. I'm going to add in the chicken. I'm going to add in the chicken. going to add in the rice. I'm going to add in some of the frozen vegetables. Add some scallion, some of the sweet pepper, some onion, I'm going to add some soy sauce. I'm going to add some soy sauce. So guys, just gonna mention that I didn't use any egg in the fried rice because I'm not a fan of the egg in the fried rice, and many persons can't eat the egg in the fried rice, so I don't really like the egg in the fried rice, so I'm not using any egg in the fried rice. So this is what the fried rice is looking like, and it's jerk chicken fried rice. This is what the jerk chicken fried rice is looking like, guys, and we are at the end of the video. So like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please turn on the post notification when I upload the latest video, then you will be the first to receive all these videos from my YouTube channel. Bye, and see you in the next video, guys.